How do I transfer my phone number to Ooma? Have you ever felt tied down to your current phone provider? Tired of the high bills and limited features? Well, I've got the solution for you, Ooma. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how to transfer your phone number to Ooma, giving you the freedom to choose a better plan and enjoy a whole new level of communication. Imagine a world where you can make unlimited calls and send unlimited texts without worrying about overage fees. A world where you can customize your phone system to suit your needs, whether you're a home user or a small business owner. That world is Ooma. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of the transfer process, let's talk about why you might want to make the switch. Benefits of switching to Ooma. Cost savings. Ooma offers competitive pricing and flexible plans to fit your budget. Unlimited calling and texting. Enjoy unlimited nationwide calls and texts without worrying about hidden fees. Advanced features. Ooma comes packed with features like voicemail to email, call forwarding, and caller ID. Flexibility. Whether you're a home user or a small business owner, Ooma has a solution for you. The transfer process. Now that you know why Ooma is a great option, let's get down to business. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your phone number to Ooma. Choose an Ooma plan. Visit the Ooma website and select the plan that best suits your needs. Order your Ooma equipment. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll need to order the necessary equipment. This typically includes an Ooma base station and telephone adapters. Activate your Ooma account. After receiving your equipment, follow the instructions to activate your Ooma account. Port your number. Once your account is activated, you can initiate the porting process. You'll need to provide Ooma with your current phone number and carrier information. Wait for confirmation. The porting process usually takes a few business days to complete. Ooma will notify you when your number has been successfully transferred. Tips for a smooth transfer. Plan ahead. Start the transfer process well in advance to avoid any disruptions in your service. Gather information. Have your current phone number, carrier information, and account number ready before starting the process. Contact your current provider. Inform your current provider that you're transferring your number. Be patient. The porting process can take a few days, so be patient and wait for confirmation from Ooma. Additional considerations. Number eligibility. Not all numbers are eligible for porting. Check with Ooma to see if your number is eligible. Porting fees. Some carriers may charge a porting fee. Equipment compatibility. Ensure that your existing phones and other equipment are compatible with Ooma. Transferring your phone number to Ooma is a simple process that can save you money and give you access to a wide range of features. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily make the switch and start enjoying the benefits of Ooma. Ready to make the switch? Visit the Ooma website today and start saving on your phone bill. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.